Sunday the 22nd of September 2024. We're at the Living Legends at the Irish National Stud Kildare. They're all at the very back currently. Lee's going to zoom in to see if a hurricane is still wearing the muzzle and the duct tape on his hoof. Anna took photographs when she was last here, the 18th of September. The hurricane had no muzzle on his mouth, and the photographs I couldn't see whether he had the duct tape or not.
Now I'm zooming in, right?
Zooming to hurricane, sees he wearing the muzzle.
I can't really see it still.
He wasn't wearing a muzzle.
I'm zoomed in completely now, right? Yeah. I'm zoomed in home cent now, right?
Yeah.
I can't see it from this, but you might be able to see when you get home.
All right. Do you think he's wearing it or no?
I might be. I'm not sure.
The ones that Anna took, he was not wearing a muzzle at all. None whatsoever, because I could see a full bridle, and his mouth was completely uncovered. It was completely uncovered, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I could see his whole mouth. I could see his whole mouth. He had nothing on his mouth at all. He had no muzzle on him. I could see a whole bridle on him. He had nothing covering his mouth at all. And I couldn't see whether he had any duct tape, because his feet looked like they were sinking into this grass or something. They were kind of into the grass. I couldn't really see whether he was wearing a muzzle. And can you see Faheen there?
Yeah.
You see wearing a muzzle still?
Muzzle, Faheen, let's see.
The last time she took a photograph, he was wearing a muzzle.
Yeah, again, I can't really be sure. I think he is wearing a muzzle, but I'm not sure. I think he is, yeah.
Yeah.
I think he is.
Yeah.
I'm not sure of hurricane, but I think Faheen is. I'm not sure though. We'll see when we get home better, but I'm not sure.
Yeah. The photos all over the way back. Unfortunately, we won't get any action from them today. It's a pity actually, because I got a hello from hurricane today. It's a bit of a shame actually. I want to push it around from phone. Sunday the 22nd of September 2024 at the Irish National Stud Kildare. I'm at the Living Legends paddock. Now there's beef for salmon there. There's hurricane and Faheen there at the back, the far side. Now Liam zoomed in them earlier on to see whether they were wearing muzzles. Furthest I can go, my phone. It's the furthest I can go, my mobile. How do you see, honestly? I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. It's hard to say. Stand in a very dark corner. They're under trees, they're very shaded, so it's hard to see. Yeah. This is beef or salmon anyway. This is beef or salmon here grazing. I'm not getting much action here at the Legends, and I'm sorry about that. I'm not getting much action from them around this. It's basically actually hoping to get some action. Possibly have the hope of action. I've been watching now, so yeah, I'll have to leave it there on the side of that. National Legends or the Stallions.
Okay, well again.